Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Prospect Heights, or near Wheeling, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Skokie, Morton Grove, Glencoe and Northfield around 8:25 p.m. Wilmette, Winnetka and Kenilworth around 8:30 p.m. Chicago, Evanston and Rogers Park around 8:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lincolnwood and Gulf, including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 40. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheaton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Downers Grove, Lombard, Westmont, Brookfield, Hinsdale, Westchester, Lamont, LaGrange, Justice, Summit, Worth, Lyons, Burr Ridge, Riverside, Oakbrook and Stickney, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 271 and 289. Interstate 88 between mile markers 134 and 135. Interstate 355 between mile markers 15 and 17. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, SeatGeek Stadium, and Moraine Valley Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 8:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hobart, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Shearville, Hobart, Griffith, Chesterton, Lake Station, Porter, Burns Harbor, South Haven, Lincoln Hills, Wheeler, New Chicago, and KVPZ, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 6 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 17 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 17. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 253 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Valparaiso University, and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago